In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate Facebook page from personal account. Before we begin, an important heads up. Facebook does not allow a page to exist without at least one personal profile owning it. So while you can't fully detach a page from all profiles, you can remove your own profile and hand control to another account or move management to a separate profile you use just for work. That's exactly what we'll do here by adding a new admin with full control, then removing your access. First, go to your page, open Facebook, and switch into the page so you're acting as the page, not as your personal profile. On desktop, use the profile switcher near your avatar to pick the page. You'll know you're in the right place if the page's name and photo appear at the top. Next, open Settings. Click Settings and Privacy, then Settings. It's easiest on a desktop browser because the layout is clearer, but the path is similar on mobile. This takes you to the area where page permissions and access live. Now go to Page Access. Depending on your page version, it may be labeled Page Access or Page Roles. This section lists everyone who can manage the page and what level of control they have. Take a moment to read the descriptions so you understand the difference between roles and full control. Add the new admin. Click Add New and search for the account by name or enter the email associated with that Facebook profile. Assign admin or full control so the new person can do everything you currently can, including changing roles and managing content. Only grant this to someone you trust or to a dedicated profile you control. You may be asked to re-enter your password or complete two-factor authentication for security. The invited account will need to accept the invitation. Wait until their status shows active with full control before moving on. Finally, remove yourself. In the same page access or page roles list, find your own profile. Click Remove Access and confirm. Facebook will prevent this step if there isn't at least one other admin, which is why adding the new admin first is essential. Once you confirm, you'll no longer be able to manage the page, post as the page, or change settings. And that's it. While a page must always be tied to at least one personal profile, you've successfully separated it from your own by transferring admin rights and removing your access. Keep your recovery options secure on the new admin account and you'll be set.